We begin tonight with the breaking developments in the trial for the man who's charged with killing IMPD officer Breanne Leith. Elias Dorsey faces multiple counts, including murder. Right now, that jury is entering its 7th hour of deliberations. Our Chase Howell has been at the Community Justice Campus all evening and joins us live tonight at 11. So, Chase, there is a lot for these jurors to consider.
Scott, there is. I mean, there's been hours and hours of testimony from the last 7 days of trial. And then on top of that, there's a lot of complexities to this case. See, the prosecution is trying to prove that Dorsey was in his right mind when he shot and killed Officer Leith. Meanwhile, the defense is trying to say that Dorsey was suffering from a psychotic episode.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, those are the court's instructions to you as the Indiana law.
Jurors heard closing arguments ahead of deliberations Thursday. The prosecution taking the floor first, hoping to drill home that Elias Dorsey did murder Officer Leith, attempted to murder 3 other officers and his girlfriend nearly 4 years ago.
He likely struggles with mental illness. That's not something that the state is disputing. But was he unable to appreciate the wrongfulness of his conduct? That's the question at issue here with his insanity defense. The ability to appreciate the wrongfulness of his conduct. And it's clear from the evidence that the defendant appreciated that what he was doing was wrong.
The defense is trying to prove otherwise and that Dorsey was insane at the time of the incident. They're hoping to prove Dorsey did not intentionally kill or attempt to kill anyone. By doing this, they hope the jurors consider lesser offenses like reckless homicide instead of murder and criminal recklessness instead of the 4 counts of attempted murder.
At the time of the offense, Mr. Dorsey was suffering from a severe mental illness. And as a result of that mental illness or defect, he did not appreciate the wrongfulness of his actions. There is no evidence that Mr. Dorsey knew who was on the other side of that closed door, how many people were on the other side of that closed door, where the people on the other side of that closed door were standing.
Yeah, and we're hearing that the judge doesn't plan on letting the jury leave until a decision is made tonight. Now, Dorsey is also facing criminal confinement and battery resulting in bodily injury. Reporting live in Indianapolis, Chase Howell, 13 News. Back to you.
All right, Chase, thanks so much. We'll be monitoring the courtroom for any breaking developments overnight. You'll see those on WTHR.com and, of course, on Sunrise beginning at 4 a.m.